ngangehlulile ngingakathwali ukuthwala kudinga usuku esewazi ukuthi mina ngiyothwala ngize ngiyothwala ngoba leli dlozi belilokho all along likhona angingisizi ngalutho angithola imisebenzi angiqonywa akulungilutho manje ke masufike ekhaya uthi uzothwala isikhathi silokhu sikumatanisa nalento engakusebenzela sikho idlozi vele ukudodi idlozi vele umabambezela idlozi vele ungalibiza nanoma ngayini qonda straight sithwaleni ngenkani madoda.
Alright, welcome back to our TV. I'm still here, No Dog and Prof. We're still talking about a couple of things, man. Alright, eating them silent food. Alright. Ngizokhuluma ngento mina ngi-observer ngani nithu. Alright, because I spend a lot of time with you guys. Prof uthanda kakhulu ukuthi if umuntu uyafika lapho uthi no mina ngifuna i-tender ngifuna thanda lento ukuthi angihlole okay or if hey Prof you know like what umuntu ithi ngihlole okay ihlozi lakho kanjani masebenze masakhe lesithwalo what isigadla normal asinasikhathi angikhuluma into ngiyo I would think we all know. And not only that, but this guy understand ukuthi asinamsebenzi nedlozi lakho so kunika lesithwalo lesisapho. So mina I just want to know inyanga zakho ukuthi kahle khona umbono othi or effect or into ethi idlozi alifuni umuthi idlozi alifuni isithwalo idlozi nesithwalo asihlangani nokuthi ngeke wenze izinto zokuvuka unga involve idlozi lakho kufanele libe khona. Prof wena you are pro idlozi and then uSgadla always negates that idlozi. In fact I can fanele ngenze video where I show uSgadla sinyama udokotela akhuluma ngedlozi ukuthi ayinandaba nedlozi lakini what. So I just want to know today ukuthi why Prof wena ulihlonipha that way ngento zithwala idlozi and then uSgadla naye uzokhuluma yakhe.
No. Alright. Isesenjalo sanibonani. Brakb mina ngithanda ukuthi namhla usihlanganisile. True speaking does not break in friendship. Mina ngithanda ukuthi umuntu mahamba hambe nedlozi lakhe. So namhlanje ngithangahlangane nenyanga isikadla senyama safele emazweni ngoba asinandaba. So mina on my side ezami ithwalo enginazo ngiyengithanda ukuthi umuntu ahambe nedlozi lakhe because of if angakhweshe edlozini lakhe sezizozo usigadla sinyama ukuthi kwenzakalani. But if umuntu uhamba special nokuthi ngifike lapha ngihlole ukuhlola kwami ngenzela ukuthi ngibheke ukuthi ledlozi liyavuma yini or ledlozi uma lingavumi lifuna ngikwazi ukulakha lihambisane nalento. Why? Because of ekuqaleni guys nani niyazi idlozi alithanda imali bayazi inkomo labantu abalaya bayazi imali. So we need to teach them. You understand? And sometimes abafuni ukuthi bafuna nethi ukwazi ukuthenga impuphu upay. You understand? So uSgadla yena uzoyibeka ngendlela yakhe. Mina ngibona ku safe ukuthi into ohamba nayo hambe nayo nezidalo zakho so that mhla undlule emhlabeni bakwazi ukukumukela.
Sikahle.
Over to you.
Professor khulume kahle kakhulu. Phansi enkangala.
Yeah.
Khulume kahle kakhulu kodwa ukukhuluma kwakhe angihambisani na.
Yeah.
Angihambisani nakho ngoba uma sikhuluma iqiniso amadlozi ayasiyekelela.
Yeah.
Amadlozi awasicabangeli thina. Amadlozi ayasilahla. Amadlozi akwazi ukubuya kuphela empilweni zethu uma kukhona into abayidingayo bona abangasekho bekhala. bakwazi ukubuya kuphela ukuthi bona bakuwina isilotho kancane angizwe ukuthi ngithini so uma sikuthwalisa thina mina vele mangikuthwalisa anginasikhathi sedlozi ngoba kube idlozi liyaphila belingeke lize likuvumele uzukhetha ukuthwala because ukuthwala akukho mnandi ukuthwala sikwenza ngoba isimo sempilo siyaphoqa ukuthi angithwale manje kuba ngibe yilento engifisa kuba yiyo esengehlulile ngingakathwali ukuthwala kudinga usuku esewazi ukuthi mina ngiyothwala ngize ngiyothwala ngoba leli dlozi belilokho all along likhona angisizi ngalutho angithola imisebenzi angiqonywa akulungi lutho manje ke masufike ekhaya uthi uzothwala isikhathi silokhu sikumatanisa nalento engakusebenzela sikho idlozi vele ukudodi idlozi vele umabambezela idlozi vele ungalibiza nanoma ngayini qonda straight sithwaleni ngenkani madoda
amabele mkhulu wonke ngisho ukuthi idlozi udodi amini uba kanjani lento you can say that
awukwazi baba uyazi ukuthi kunzima kanjani sikhule kanje siphila masikhula siphila ontangami baphumelela mina ngihleli nje akwenzeki lutho kulokuthiwa abanje abaphansi bafuna ukuthi ufake iphandle yibona esiphandle uyifake from here to 18 next akwenzeki lutho hamba ngenyawo hamba ngemoto echeap futhi awunamoto ngize khuluma imoto enzima kanje yabona yini idlozi uyabapha nje kuphela labantu abanangqondo bazibavume ngisho ukuthwebuleka bona bathwebuleke ekhaya uthola ukuthi umuntu akasenanhlahla lo muntu akanadlozi livuma kanjani idlozi ukuthwebuleka kanti lona what a good yikuphi okuhle singakulindele idlozini thwalani khohlwa indaba edlozi mabambezela
hey ya brakhebi siyabuya la sikadla senyama
ngiyalo prof
ngiyagadla ngishilo bafowethu ngathi lo nyaka siyophumelela ngenkani kwelinye ichannel manje ziyangibuyela so ngamanye amagama ngichaza ukuthi mina bafowethu ngimile idlozi lami angilishiyi ngihamba la
but what if the way udokotela khona ukuthi
no you teach them
no but here's my point all right here's my point ngizokhipha imfihlo ke babukeli ke for those people that wanted to know imfihlo the time mina ngiya ku prof kunzima the first thing prof wanted to know is idlozi lami linjani bathini kanjani we had to work through that azange wathi imfoko amadlozi agini or whatever you know what and I feel ukuthi ngasizakala because of that uyabona so if bengiya kusigandla kusho ukuthi usigandla bekazuthi fuck off that's why bangakusizi labantu la so my question manje becomes mina as umuntu that didn't know anything amadlozi ngiyakthwala anything I knew zero wena ma unlapha for example right so let's say maybe I'm Kupula or whatever it is that you're doing because I want to go back to you know what if mina nginenhlanhla ukuthi amadlozi amavuke and then angisize ngaleso sikhathi what about those people abaza enyangeni and still amadlozi akanyakazi no. Why can't we now bypass idlozi ke sishaya ngama jumper cable ngoba akasisebenzi I'm just saying in my instance what if bengasizakala
okay brakb kuzosizakala that is why sinelento ukuthi uyahlola ngisho secondly isithwalo sedlozi sibaluleke ngokuthi into yakhona ma asithi nguphela iphondo ngani ngikhomanisa namadlozi akho or nguphe inyoka ngakupha namadlozi akho amadlozi akho ahamba nalesithwalo asidiliki lesithwalo ukuthi mawundlule emhlabeni kusala abantwana abahlupheka usalumile nethonga lakho linazo that's why mina ngithanda ukuthi idlozi lami nesithwalo and umuntu afika athi mkhulu alifuna ukuconnect idlozi ngithi lizoconnecta ngenkani so sigadla yena angazi lapho uzothini but mina ngithi ngiyathanda idlozi lahambisane nalo ingakho ithwalo zami zonke ngithi idlozi phambili engithi azinabo ubungozi sigadla over to you baba uthini lapho
ngimile kuthenini umuna idlozi ushonelwa ilanga thatha ugodo ufake emqaleni uphumelele phambili
But what if ngimuntu ohlonipha amadlozi ngithi ngifuna amadlozi wami next to me? Whatever sithwalo ozomnika sona dokotela ngicela sihambisane namadlozi.
Ngiyakuthatha ngiyisa ku Prof. Ngiyakuthatha ngikhipha imoto egarage ngiyisa ku Prof. Soon. Ngoba angifuni ukuze ngiqale into ezongibambezele nengayazi nje. Idlozi langihlukumeza kakhulu. Libe lezi zinto lezi. Yashaya unazo.
But God, you see, that's the problem.
No, Mr. Uphakathi kwethu la. Uhambisana nobani kahlahla?
No. Mina ngeke ngithathe iside mina, right? I can only speak because ngibona abantu abasizwe uwe, ngibona abantu abasizwe uProf ngamahlo ami. So I cannot say ukuthi I lean this side or that side because now I get confused. Ukuthi umuntu angitshela ukuthi ngicela ukubona uProf whatever Prof khona or 2 + 2 whatever ahlangane aze angibuze angifunele brakibi u2 + 2 ngisizile kanjani sharp ngiye uProf ngisizile kanjani lezi zinto lezi asihambisani mara ziyasebenza. That's what confuses me and that is what I want to know today. Ukuthi how come you can help when a Prof usiza abantu abaningi ngedlozi labo usikadla akafuni lutho ngelona le. So that is my thing.
Ngihlezi ngisho brakibi ngene emlonyeni. Ngihlezi ngisho into esheshayo ayihambi nedlozi. It's what I always say.
No, I know that part.
So that's why ngithi umuntu ofuna akuyibeke yakade usikadla. Umuntu ofuna into ehambisana nedlozi uzomletha kimi. Nami umuntu ofuna into esheshayo kusukela namhlanje. Prof, hello kinyaka serwalo mara kinyaka into esheshayo. Ngizothi kuwe uyayibona iTsogo TV kunomunye ubaba ohlele ehlathini. Usikadla senyama safele emazweni. Iyakuye u2 + 2 ngoba mina esami isithwalo vela simfuna umuntu ojahile.
All right, okay. Mhlawumbe I need to ask this thing in a different way.
Okay.
Sharp. Right. Masthathe simple thing. Masthathe umathafatha. Funa umathafatha ngiza la eJozi. Dokotela, yazi hamba nginyuka whatever. Bathi idlozi lami ugogo ufuna champagne le finish or clean finish whatever ngangazi mina yenze but ngifuna umathafatha Dr. 2 + 2 ungazongitshela ngedlozi woza amni umathafatha izinto siphaka right ngiza ku Prof ngifuna iphondo hayi masikhomana namadlozi kanjani right unika iphondo izinto ziyakhuphuka. My question mina as a civilian umuntu nje ongazi lutho ngobunyanga whatever into ngiyibuza yona yi1 how come lo muntu oye kusikadla asaksilile anganamadlozi yakhe angabizanga amadlozi yakhe how come umuntu ofike kuwe asaksilile ngoba amadlozi yakhona kahle yini into ekhuphula umuntu kahle do you understand what I'm trying to say? Confusion yami kuphi why does it work both ways? And ingali this for example buwe ithi I know it was akusebenzanga or ku2 + 2 akusebenza. Why do you always have the same results but nisebenzisa two different methods ezingahlangani ezingahambisani?
Brakebi mina ngifuna ube nale understanding ukuthwala vela akufani and then ungathwala ngeswasho uphodle ube nemali athwalelwa ngenyoka ebulala abantu.
That's why I use these thwalos in ezinkulu abo mathafatha use I want to know ngalezo hayi isiwasho asikhulumi ngale ngikhuluma ngento ejulile man ngifuna
i-answer inyoka le
ipondo lizongisiza it has helped a lot of people mathafatha uvukisa abantu why is this sevenza z2 but they're using two different methods but nithi ukulapha and ukunyanga lo
umathafatha uzoyiphendula ukuthi unani mina iphondo lami linani mina brakebi balaleli ngithi esami isithwalo kuze same nedlozi ukuthi your wealth mhla uhambe emhlabeni ingawi umathafatha uyathanyela so izile that is a different it can work and umathafatha ngamthatha namhla kusasa ube rich.
Sikhulumele dokotela.
Ukhuluqinisa. Umathafatha uyathafaza nje kuphela. Mina ngidinga idlozi, mina ngifuna umuntu owazi ukuthi ufunani kimi indaba zedlozi limbambezele manje finish.
So kwenzekani mangifa manje imali yami ilifa lami labhilile.
Baba, omunye umnotho awubhidliki ngoba kuya ngokuthi labantu bashiya kuba khona nokurana as wena uphethe ngayo into ndlela leyo. And two, umathafathafa vele egcineni noma ungalahleka konke nguwo vele nomathafathafa. Sacrifice yakho leyo ukuthi wena ufuna umathafathafa. Awuthathelanga umndeni. Ukube butfuna umndeni, ubuzothatha indaba zamadlozi nihambe nenkangala ningezi la kwaMhlaba lingani.
Hey! Ngahlangana naso isigadla senyama madoda kushubile.
Yes, today I thought ngizothola ama-answer straight. Manje ama-answer hamba so like I was hoping to find ama-answer.
But it's a true answer.
Yeah, but angivumelani. You don't agree with each other.
No, we agree, Bra KB. The different is this. Isithwalo samkhulu akafuna sihambe nedlozi. Esami
siyasebenza. Siyasebenza. So
the problem ilento ekuthi umkhulu usigadla akafuni kulokathi ngiconnecta nedlozi lakho, ngiconnecta nedlozi lakho. Why? Because of limhlukumezile idlozi on his side. But on my side, ngithi mina no, asichumele idlozi lakho. Why ngisho njalo? Because of ngifuna kumeshe kuhambe konke. Kungamathafathafa vele ushaye kudlozi lele kusale yena buse empilweni yakho.
Okay. Yazi okunye uzokufuna ungakutholi kithi. Uzogcina usufuna into ngeke uzuyithole kithi. Ngoba okunye kuvaleliwe ngeke uzukuthola. Abona mase sikhuluma angithi lento ishiyana la ekwenzeni. Angithi shela. Angithi nje mina ngikhuluma sike sakhuluma ngoma ikhethele. Bagijima abantu huphu bakhethe umuntu aqhamuka athi hayi ngifuna umama khona omunye nje ngimbulalile umama wakhe siyakhala manje. Mina bengithe umamncane ngani ukhethile lapho kanti leli gama olibhale lapho uthi ngakhetha ngijahile. Ngenze njani mina? Usela nami manje.
Masivaleni ke. Sizoyivala lapho. Siyabonga dokotela. Siyabonga Prof.